welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you a full body flexibility tutorial. So if you are a beginner and want to get a flexible body, this video will help you to get a full body flexibility. So let's get started.
First of all, you need to stretch out your shoulders. Hold your left arm with your right hand like this, and now repeat the same for the other arm. Now raise your hands and joint your palms like this and hold for some seconds. Now bend your one hand and hold the elbow with the other hand like this and try to stretch out your shoulders. Switch to stretch out your other shoulder. Now touch your knees and try to push your hips towards the ground as much as you can. This will help you to make your hips flexible. Now straighten your one leg and hold your foot with your hands like this and hold for some seconds. This will help you to stretch your hamstring and make your legs even more flexible. Now bend your back on one side and try to touch your toes with your fingers like this. This will help you to make your spine flexible and stretch out your shoulders as well. Now switch to other side to stretch out your other leg and repeat the same process to make your legs flexible. Now we are going to get in downward face dog position. Get your body in this position. Try to push yourself towards the ground. Try to keep your hands and your legs straight like this. This will help you to stretch out your hamstring and make your shoulders flexible. Now just bend your legs alternatively 3 to 4 moves on each side, and it will improve your flexibility of your legs and hamstring. Now we are going to get in cobra position. So bend your back like this and hold this position for at least 30 seconds. Practicing this exercise every day for 1 minute will help you to make your spine flexible and will help you to get your back flexibility. Now we are going to do leg flexibility exercises. Just place your one leg forward and other leg backward and keep them apart from each other like this. This will help you to get your hips and legs flexibility. Now just bend your leg forward and get in low lunge position like this and hold this position for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Lunges is really very good exercise for getting legs and hips flexibility. Now switch to other side and repeat the same process. Now just stand on your knees and try to bend your back and get in camel pose. This pose will help you to get your whole spine flexibility. Hold this position for at least 10 seconds. Now just sit down and make your both legs straight like this. Now just bend your back forward and try to touch your foot with your hands like this. If you're not able to touch your foot, just try to hold on your ankles. Stay in this position for at least 10 to 12 seconds. Now just try to bend your back more forward and make your chest touch to your knees. And just hold on for 10 seconds. Now we are going to lay down on the ground. Now just bend your knee and try to bring it towards your chest like this. Then straighten your leg and try to hold on your ankle. Now just bend your leg and try to turn yourself towards your right hand side and hold on for some seconds. Switch to other leg and repeat the same process. Now we are going to get in next flexibility exercise, which is bow position. To do this exercise, lie down in prone position, grab your ankles like this and try to lift up your legs as much as you can. Try to hold this position for at least 10 seconds for start. Now just drop your legs and make yourself relax. Now we are going to do cat-cow pose. Make your spine up and down like this. Inhale when you are cat position and exhale when you are cow position. This will help you to reduce your stress tension during these exercises. Now get in child pose and make yourself relax. This will reduce your whole body stress tension and make you feel calm.
So that's the end of the video. If you practice these exercises regularly, you will get your body flexible within a month. So keep practicing and never give up. So if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any problem related to these exercises, please mention in the comment section so I can help you with that. And don't forget to share this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.